Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of the all-new 2019 Chevy Express Cargo Van 2500 Limited SE. This rear-wheel drive vehicle comes with a 6-liter, 8-cylinder flex fuel engine, your back tinted windows, and 16 by 6.5 inch steel wheels. Now, when we open the door on this vehicle, you can see that we do have power running boards. We have gray and black leather seating throughout your entire vehicle. We do have an entertainment system, a sunroof, your brand new Chevy MyLink radio, heated seating, push to talk, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.